By the end of this lecture, learners will be able to define the term interactive approaches to teaching as an innovative educational approach. Describe the main characteristics of the interactive teaching model. Determine the strategies for implementing interactive methods in different teaching-learning situations. Define the key benefits and challenges faced teachers and students during the teaching-learning process. Hello everyone and welcome. This lecture explores the impact of interactive approaches on quality learning. It also shed light on the power of this innovative teaching approach that creates an inclusive and dynamic learning environment that prepares individuals for success in an ever-evolving world. If you're interested in learning more about didactics, then, welcome to the UNIV-ENGLISH channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, and also smash the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos. So, let's begin with this question. How can you define the interactive teaching method as an innovative educational approach? The interactive approach to teaching is a pedagogical strategy that emphasizes active participation, engagement, and collaboration between the teacher and students, as well as among the students themselves. This approach shifts away from traditional, teacher-centered methods where the instructor primarily imparts knowledge through lectures, and instead, it places a greater emphasis on involving students in the learning process. Researchers in the field of education recognize that students learn best when they are actively involved, motivated, and able to connect new information to their existing knowledge and experiences. This approach aligns with the idea of constructivism, which posits that learners construct their understanding and knowledge through active engagement with the learning materials. Characteristics of the interactive teaching. Interactive teaching is marked by its emphasis on active engagement, collaboration, and student-centered learning. This approach facilitates discussions, encourage collaborative activities, and integrate hands-on experiences to promote a dynamic classroom environment that promotes deeper understanding and active participation in the teaching and learning process. The key characteristics of the interactive approach to teaching include 1. Active participation. Students are encouraged to actively engage in the learning process rather than passively receiving information. This can involve discussions, hands-on activities, and other participatory methods. 2. Collaborative learning. The interactive approach often involves collaboration among students. Group activities, projects, and discussions are common components of this approach, fostering teamwork and communication skills. 3. Critical thinking. Students are prompted to think critically and analyze information rather than memorize facts. Problem-solving becomes a central component of the learning experience. 4. Feedback and reflection. Continuous feedback is provided to students, and opportunities for reflection are integrated into the learning process. This allows students to assess their understanding, identify areas for improvement, and actively participate in their own learning journey. 5. Varied teaching strategies. Teachers use a variety of teaching strategies to cater to diverse learning styles. This may include multimedia presentations, interactive demonstrations, role-playing, simulations, and other methods that go beyond traditional lectures. 6. Technology integration. Interactive teaching often involves the incorporation of technology to enhance the learning experience. This may include the use of interactive whiteboards, educational software, online resources, and collaborative platforms. 7. Student-centered approach. The focus shifts from the teacher being the primary source of information to creating an environment where students take responsibility for their own learning. Teachers act as facilitators, guiding students and providing support. 8. Real-world application. Concepts are connected to real-world applications, helping students see the relevance of what they are learning. This connection to practical scenarios enhances understanding and retention of information. Benefits of interactive teaching. Interactive teaching offers a multitude of benefits that significantly enhance the learning experience. It covers 1. Engagement and motivation. It fosters increased student engagement and motivation, as learners actively participate in the educational process rather than passively receive information. Interactive activities break the monotony and create a dynamic learning environment. This heightened engagement leads to better retention of knowledge and improved understanding of concepts. 2. Enhanced retention. Interactive teaching accommodates diverse learning styles, ensuring that information is presented in various ways, appealing to both visual and auditory learners. This multisensory approach contributes to a deeper and more lasting understanding of the subject matter, promoting sustained retention beyond the classroom. In essence, by actively involving students in the learning process, interactive teaching significantly enhances their ability to remember and apply what they have learned. 3. Development of critical thinking skills. Interactive teaching methods, such as group activities and discussions, promote the development of critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Students are encouraged to think critically, analyze information, and apply knowledge in real-world scenarios. Problem-solving becomes a natural part of the learning process. Strategies for interactive teaching. Strategies for interactive teaching encompass a variety of approaches designed to actively engage students in the learning process. These strategies collectively contribute to a student-centered and participatory educational environment, enriching the overall effectiveness of the teaching and learning experience. Researchers singled out the following strategies. 1. Classroom discussions. Encourage open-ended discussions that promote critical thinking. Pose thought-provoking questions and give students the space to express their opinions. 2. Group activities. Assign group projects that require collaboration and teamwork. This fosters social skills and allows students to learn from one another. 3. Technology integration. Use technology tools such as interactive whiteboards, educational apps, and online simulations. Leverage virtual platforms for collaborative projects and discussions. 4. Role-playing and simulations. Bring learning to life by incorporating role-playing and simulations. This helps students connect theoretical concepts to real-world situations. 5. Peer teaching. Assign students to teach a concept to their peers. This not only reinforces their understanding but also develops communication skills. Overcoming challenges. While interactive teaching has numerous benefits, it comes with its own set of challenges. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of interactive teaching make addressing these hurdles crucial for creating a dynamic and effective learning environment. Let's briefly discuss how to overcome them. 1. Classroom management. Balancing student engagement with maintaining discipline can be challenging, requiring effective strategies to ensure a productive learning environment. Teachers' role is to establish clear expectations and guidelines for interactive sessions, and foster a respectful and inclusive learning environment. 2. Time management. Interactive activities may extend beyond traditional time frames, requiring careful planning to cover content adequately. 3. Diverse learning styles. Adapting to various learning styles within a classroom necessitates creative instructional approaches to cater to the needs of all students. 4. Technological constraints. Integrating interactive tools may face obstacles due to technological issues or resource limitations. 5. Resistance to change. Overcoming resistance among both educators and students to shift from traditional teaching methods to more interactive approaches can be a persistent challenge. Conclusion. Interactive teaching is not a one-size-fits-all solution, but rather a mindset shift towards creating an engaging and participatory learning environment. As educators, our goal is to empower students to become lifelong learners, and interactive approaches play a pivotal role in achieving that objective. Let's embrace the opportunities they offer and embark on a journey of transformative education together. Overall, the interactive approach to teaching creates a student-centered, inclusive, and dynamic learning environment that prepares individuals for success in an ever-evolving world.